While a PIN makes the login process faster than a password, you may encounter this error when you try to sign in using the same. Now, if you have the same problem, here's how you can fix it. Now, first, log in with the account password. To do it, open Sign-in Options, type in your password, and press Enter to log in. Then, open Settings, go to Account tab, click Sign In, click on PIN. Now, to change your PIN, you must know your old PIN. So we will proceed with the Remove PIN to remove the current PIN and then add a new one. After that, click on Setup to add a new PIN, and in the Setup New PIN dialog box, type a new PIN for your account. Now you have to repeat the same in the Confirm PIN field, then click OK. But if the issue persists while signing in with the PIN, check the NGC folder for permission issues. To do it, open File Explorer, click on View, select Show, then select Hidden Items. Now you have to make sure that the Hidden Item option has a check mark. Then, navigate to the following path, right-click on the NGC folder, then select Delete. Once done, you can set up a new PIN from the sign-in options in the Settings app. Lastly, you can try to perform a system reset. Do it by opening Settings, click System, go to Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click the option Reset this PC. Under Choose an option, you can choose to keep or remove your files on your computer. Once you have made your choice, confirm the option to reset your PC. And those are the following fixes if you're having this error code on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.